I'm excited to give you all my lore. I'm gonna spill everything for you. Whatever Snapchat wants to know, I got you.
We love it. Welcome, Joseph, to the Snapchilla room.
This set is so sick. Are you kidding me? What? This is so sick. I feel like I'm living in Snapchat right now. If this was personified Snapchat, I would be right here. I'm gonna steal the sign when I leave.
Shh. We definitely gotta do a photo together.
The Snapchat Polaroid, are you kidding me?
Snapchat Polaroid. We're gonna do a selfie moment.
I love. 1, 2, 3,
Gimme Lore! What is the lore of Joseph?
The lore of Joseph. So when I was just at home during the pandemic, I really didn't know what to do. I was bored. Everyone just tried to pick up a side hobby, trying to figure out what was fun. And I had all these books from when I was little just sitting on my shelf. So one day I pulled out my phone, grabbed a bedtime story and just started reading. And at first it was really small. I would have 2 or 3 people. Pretty soon I was having thousands of people joining every single night.
Wow.
And it took off from there. It was so much fun.
I feel like we all want to be read a bedtime story at some point.
It's like a little childhood nostalgia.
It is, yeah. No, I totally see why that took off.
So then I switched to fashion lifestyle and covered Fashion Week, all these different things. So now here we are and just kind of having fun, spilling lore.
What is the one thing that intimidates you that no one would expect?
Okay, well, I guess before I start that question, it's funny that you use that word intimidate, because one thing that I've always gotten, which surprises me so much. So I'm a Scorpio, I'm a triple Scorpio, sun, moon, and rising.
Whoa.
And the word that I always get is intimidating. So I feel like sometimes I intimidate myself. Is that a crazy answer?
That's a cool answer. Yeah, you intimidate yourself, so you're scared of your own potential?
Ooh, I like that. You know what, we're gonna go with that.
Is there any misconceptions about you, in terms of the public and how they receive you and that maybe be untrue?
I feel like when I started on social media, I was very quiet. I was a little bit of a shy person, and I think that came off a lot through bedtime stories and people thought I was shy. But in reality, once I started doing it for a while and I was just surrounded by all these people, I really became an extroverted person, and that shifted so quickly.
I don't know how that makes sense, but I feel like that's it. What's the most normal job you've had outside of your career in media?
Okay, this is gonna sound crazy. I've never had a normal job.
Wait, really?
I don't know how it hasn't happened. I just started on social media when I was 16 years old, and then ever since I just kind of kept this going. But I've never really had a normal job. Maybe I need to go to Starbucks or something.
Yeah, I mean, this is your normal job.
Yeah, this is my normal job.
We're gonna go into emotional lore. How did it feel when you were chosen for the advisory board of Lady Gaga's Born This Way Foundation?
That was my dream. You don't understand. Lady Gaga is my person. I love that woman. Lady Gaga
she's the queen.
She is the queen. She is Mother Monster. Pause out. Anyways, but when it came to advisory board, that was such a crazy moment for me. I just applied, and sure enough, I got it, and it was part of that for 3 years, and that was so much fun.
Did you get to meet Lady Gaga?
I did.
Wow.
It was truly surreal.
I'm low-key kind of jealous.
You know how they say don't meet your idols?
Yeah.
When it's her, meet your idol.
Meet your idol, best advice. We're gonna go play a little game now.
Incredible.
This or that. Okay. We started off with white suit or Canadian suit.
Stop it, wait, you guys did your homework. As much as I love the Canadian suit, I live for a cape. Something that just flows behind you in the wind, so good. Okay, digital detox or spa day.
Yeah.
It's so hard for me to do a digital detox. My screen time, if I pull it up, I think I will be checked into a mental hospital. Genuinely,
what do you think your number is?
14, 15. It really has to be 15 hours. It's so bad, across devices.
So
Spa day.
Casual or tuxedo?
Casual I do more often, but I feel so good in a tuxedo. Tuxedo.
Friend hangout or horse ride?
Horses are so great. Horse rides are so much fun. Okay, let's spill some lore real quick. When I went to college, I saw that there was an equestrian team at my school. Before I could even do the tryout, you have to submit videos of you riding horses.
Oh my gosh.
Never ridden horses before, so I went on YouTube and found the back of someone's head.
Someone else riding a horse.
Submitted those. Then I did the tryout, failed miserably. They still let me on, and I made
at
it.
A collegiate level,
at a
never
collegiate
having
level.
Rode a horse.
Fake it till you make it. You gotta do it.
Well, that concludes our little mini game.
It was so much fun.
I gotta leave you with one last question.
Leave me with a question.
What lore do you want to be remembered as?
I want to be remembered for being a good person. Being a positive light is so important, and being able to just like spread love and kindness. I think that's something that I want to be remembered for.
That's really cool. Totally, in today's age, it's so great to have someone that wants to give positivity instead of like tearing people down. So
Spread love, guys.
what a great way to end the show.
Everyone's been saying 2026 is the new 2016, and I want to see that more. I want everyone to like bring back their 2016 aesthetic. Everything in 2016 was better.
Let's bring it back.
Yeah.
Yeah.